we're down to 2 days. We've got today and tomorrow, and then we leave on the 15th really early in the morning. Yesterday was like super intense. Sensory overload, I'd say. Today we're just kind of hanging out in the villa and chilling, which is nice to be able to do. We're getting down to the remnants of our groceries. I'm trying to cook something today that uses some of the ingredients that we've got a little bit left over, and I'm making these baked pecorine fresco layered potatoes and breadcrumbs, which uses about every single thing that we've got left over. We've got some Parmesan cheese, some pecorino. This was one of our loaves of bread that had gotten as hard as a rock, but it makes great breadcrumbs. We've got some garlic, we've got some potatoes, we've got some onions. They're kind of like au gratin potatoes. I'm going to make that, and then we've got some pasta, so we'll probably have some pasta and this layered potato dish, so wish me luck. We also have a little wine left over. We'll be finishing that up tonight as well. Oh, thank you. The cook should have a glass of wine, should she not?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, makes food taste better, I think. I'm going to set right here for right now.
Okay.
All of your ingredients are in Italian, because you're in Italy. And your oven is set to Celsius, not Fahrenheit. So that sometimes makes a challenge, but thanks to Google Translate, we're able...
In the last few years, it's made it a lot easier.
Oh, so much easier. So we did end up with salt in our coffee the first morning because it wasn't labeled. So...
No, it wasn't that one. It was the... Where is it?
That's not... It was that one. Oh. Oh, no. So...
Yep.
What did I just do?
Uh-oh.
Okay. Well...
Yeah, this is the one that they have the salt in.
Whoopsie. Who goes on vacation and enjoys just cooking?
It's a sickness.
It is a sickness. All right, what we have here is balsamic glazed onions. It's an Italian recipe. Then we have potatoes au gratin, but Italian style. And we have spinach and ricotta ravioli or something with a bolognese sauce. Making leftovers out of leftovers. And of course, there's always a little red wine with the dinner. What does it smell okay?
It smells really good.
You think it's going to be okay?
I can only try.
Uh-huh.
And then I'll